So in our previous session, we have discussed about how we can create different types of material for wall, right? How we can place different doors and windows, right? And we had started the roof part, right? So let me continue the roof part only, right? For creating a roof, you need to create walls first. So here, click on this wall option and make it connected to level 2, right? You can keep rest of the things same. So here you can create a boundary or a room using wall like this, right? We have this as the second one, and I'm creating one more room here, right? So we had studied this roof by footprint. So in this case, we were selecting different walls to create roof, right? So what we can do is there is an option of pick wall, right? If you want any overhang, you can enter that value here. Let's say you want 2 feet of overhang, right? After that, you can pick these walls and create a roof like this, right? After this, if we see here in this roof by footprint, we have some other option as well. You can check those here. This is line, rectangle, pentagon. So whatever the type of roof you want, you can choose from here. Let's suppose I want a pentagonal type of roof. So I will click on this button. Here you can see the number of sides is 6. Since I want a pentagon, I will type here 5 sides. Here I want an offset of 2 feet, right? After that, you need to create a roof, right, like this, right? Make sure it is covering all your walls like this, right? After that, you can click here, but you won't be able to see your roof in your floor plan level 1, right? If you switch to this level 2, right, here you can see your roof, right? This is your roof over here. This one was the first, this one was the second roof. So for creating roof, you will go to the level 1 floor plan. If you want to see that, you can see it in level 2 plan, right? And you can also go to your 3D view, right? Here you can see that pentagonal type of roof. You can switch to shaded here as well, right? And you can check this. So this is the basic roof we had created using pick wall, and this is by using pentagonal shape, right? So you can also create some other types of roof as well by just choosing different types of profile from here, right? So let's suppose you want an arc in the front, right? So you will go here, start creating from here, right? Like this. After that, let's suppose you want simple lines. So you can connect the remaining walls using lines, but make sure your geometry should be a closed figure. If it is not a closed figure, so it will give you an error like this, right? If I leave this unconnected here and try to finish my roof, it will give me an error that it must be a closed loop, right? So first I need to connect it here using lines like this. After that, I will be able to draw the roof, right? You can go to finish button. After that, switch to your 3D view, and here you can see your roof part, right? This is the roof over here. So in this way, you can create different types of roof by using roof by footprint method.